The Airbus A300 is a wide-body twin-engine jet airliner that was developed and manufactured by Airbus, formally announced in 1969, and the first flying in October 1972. It holds the distinction of being the world's first twin-engine wide-body airliner. It was also the first product of Airbus Industry, a consortium of European aerospace manufacturers, now a subsidiary of Airbus. So in this video, we are going to talk about the Airbus A300, the world's first wide-body twin-engine jetliner. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. The A300 can typically seat 266 passengers in a two-class layout, with a maximum range of 4,070 nautical miles, 7,540 kilometers. When fully loaded, depending on the model, the A300 was the first commercial aircraft to have composite materials used in both its primary and secondary structures to reduce weight and increase operating efficiency. The introduction to wingtip devices to reduce drag and a center of a gravity control system made the A300 design ever so efficient at the time. The A300 used many technological innovations at the time, which helped improve the reliability of the aircraft, reduced operating costs, and paved the way for extended-range twin-engine operational performance standards, ETOPS. The production of the A300 later prompted Boeing to develop the Boeing 767 to compete with Airbus. Its cargo variant also became popular and is still operated by FedEx Express and UPS, among others. A total of 561 A300 variants were built before the production ceased in July 2007. Launch customer Air France introduced the type into service on 30 May 1974. In 1967, various aircraft manufacturers in Europe and the United Kingdom discussed the idea of establishing a joint venture to build a large airliner. Western Germany, France, and Britain signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to begin the development of the program. In the early days, Air France and American Airlines had expressed an interest in a twin-engine wide-body airliner for their forecasted market. However, the manufacturers feared that a 266-passenger aircraft may be too large for the market. As such, Airbus developed a scaled-down version, the A300B, with a capacity of approximately 250 passengers. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get back to our topic. As the design phase moved forward, the General Electric GE CF650 engines were selected to power the A300, as opposed to the previously selected Rolls-Royce RB207s. The decision was made to reduce manufacturing costs and attract airliners in the United States. The decision did not sit well with the Rolls-Royce, who had already started to work on the new engine design. 2 months after the decision, in May 1969, the British government withdrew from the joint venture, leaving France and Germany as the only partners in the project. Between the two equal partners, the Airbus Industry was created in December 1970. The Airbus A300 became the first project under the newly created European Collaborative Aircraft Manufacturer. Britain joined the company in 1971 to become a 20% partner in Airbus Industry. According to Airbus, new technologies adopted for the airliner were selected principally for increased safety, operational capability, and profitability. It is the first airliner to be fitted with wind shear protection. Its advanced autopilots are capable of flying the aircraft from climb-out to landing, and it has an electrically controlled braking system, glass cockpit flight instrumentation, which use cathode ray tube. CRT monitors to display flight, navigation, and warning information, along with fully digital dual autopilots and digital flight control computers for controlling the spoilers, flaps, and leading edge slats, were also adopted upon later built models. A decade after the arrival of the A300, the Airbus family expanded, with the A310 taking to the air in 1982 and the A300-600 in 1983. The A310 was a shorter, long-ranger aircraft than the 300, seating 218 in a two-class configuration. The A300-600, meanwhile, introduced an improved wing feature, a rechambered trailing edge. The A300/310 would spawn away variants, but two stand out as the most exciting. There's the Airbus A300-0G, a reduced-gravity aircraft used for training astronauts. slots. And then there's the A300-600 ST Beluga, a huge, whale-shaped cargo freight version of the A300-600, used to transport Airbus parts from the factory to the final assembly line. The A300 provided Airbus with experience in manufacturing and selling airliners competitively. In 2006, the unit cost of a -600F was $105 million. In March 2006, Airbus announced the impending closure of the A300/A310 final assembly line, making them the first Airbus aircraft to be discontinued. The final production of A300 and A300F freighter performed its initial flight on 18 April 2007 and was delivered to FedEx Express on 12 July 2007. Airbus has announced a support package to keep A300s flying commercially. Airbus offers the A330-200F freighter as a replacement for the A300 cargo variants. The life of UPS's fleet of 52 A300s delivered from 2000 to 2006 will be extended to 2035 by a flight deck upgrade based around Honeywell Primus Epic Avionics. New displays and flight management system (FMS), improved weather radar, a central maintenance system, and a new version of the current enhanced ground proximity warning system. With a light usage of only 2 to 3 cycles per day, it will not reach the maximum number of cycles by then. The first modification was made at Airbus Toulouse in 2019 and certified in 2020. As of July 2017, there are 211 A300s in service with 22 operators, with the largest operator being FedEx Express with 68 A300-600F aircraft. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.